3, 2, 1.
What kinds of roles will the actor pursue in the future? The answer is C, none of the above choices. What may happen during one of your visits to Connecticut? The answer is D, I would rekindle old relationships. What may be the reason for the laundry rumbling? The answer is D, the washer and dryer are loud. Halo 3 was released in what year? The answer is D, 2007. What may be a fact about this person's lifestyle? The answer is C, their days are repetitive. How many legs has a flea? The answer is D, 6. During how many years did the Bell Company battle lawsuits? The answer is D, 18. How may I be feeling? The answer is B, reflective. The man goes over a rock. We see a mountain near the river. The kayak is overturned in the river. What happens next? The answer is A, see the man on the shore. How did the narrator feel about their recent trip? The answer is C, they felt it was picturesque. What may be the reason for going on the sidewalk? The answer is A, to go for a walk. Where am I that it is so packed? The answer is D, I am at the DMV. When were the first campus police fired at Yale? The answer is C, 1894. Performer sings and dancers on a concert stage. A performer climbs down the stairs. Several performers. What happens next? The answer is A, pose, gesture, and point towards the audience. The brush is dipped on pink palette and showed it to the camera, then dipped the brush on the peach palette. The person painted on the hand. What happens next? The answer is C, then started painting petals on her arm. When was KU's engineering school closed? The answer is D, 1891. On July 23, 1984, Vanessa Williams made the headlines when she gave up which of the following? The answer is C, her Miss US title. How do you buy someone off? How would you do this? The answer is A, pay them to be yours. What can replenish electrolytes? How would you do this? The answer is A, the best thing to drink is Red Bull or wine. What is likely to happen at Avon Beach? The answer is B. The narrator will get much-needed relaxation. What may be the reason for seeing their ex after they broke up? The answer is A. They still love one another. How has the start of spring been? The answer is C. Overcast a lot. The southern part of the Amazon forest was mainly impacted by drought in what year? The answer is D. 2005. What year was Schwarzenegger's film The Running Man released? The answer is C. 1987. To get a more uniformed cookie cup cookie, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use raw pizza dough. When did Kublai ban the international Mongol slave trade? The answer is A. 1291. Why did they not wash their car? The answer is D. They are too lazy to clean out the entire car. Why did the narrator want to bring an umbrella into the stadium? The answer is C. To shield themselves from the sun. In what year was the Act of Abjuration signed? The answer is B. 1581. A person is rowing at the edge of a boat. The person takes out a fishing hook. What happens next? The answer is B. Starts fishing at his edge. In what year was the first Nobel Peace Prize actually awarded, ostensibly to someone who earned it? The answer is A. 1901. What would I do after turning around? The answer is A. I would get up and walk slowly away from the dog. A woman talks in an office. What happens next? The answer is D. Explains how she curls her hair. Which of these is not a type of primate? The answer is B. Marmot. What happened during the Coldplay show? The answer is B. I had a good time. How many poems did Augustus commission from Virgil? The answer is D. 6. What year did the Battle of Bear Paw happen? The answer is A. 1877. Why is the narrator inebriated at the event? The answer is D. They drank too much sangria. Minimize inflammation of cold sore. How would you do this? The answer is A. Use a cloth dipped in ice water to apply it on sore. What may this post be describing? The answer is C. Tech support. When was the Treaty of Nanking rejected? The answer is B. 1843. Make small biodegradable flower pot. How would you do this? The answer is A. Grow plant in ice cream cup. He sets the pieces on a plate sitting in a sink. There's plates of food in the sink. He empties the plates into a pot. What happens next? The answer is C. Stirs everything in the pot together. How many Emirates make up the United Arab Emirates? The answer is D. 7. What state is the narrator visiting the gardens in? The answer is B. Virginia. People ride horses on front the ocean. A woman wearing green top and a bag on her shoulder rides a horse. People, what happens next? The answer is C. Ride horses going in a line. What may be a fact about today's economics according to the speaker? The answer is C. Economics is entirely dependent on the consumers. Lid, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can measure soap for laundry. To make an antenna if your television antenna is broken, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a span and half plastic hanger instead. Make a saw blade guard. How would you do this?